Hey there, Red Shrimp Nuts and Twigs again. Today I'm making a batch of vegan lentil quesadillas, a perfect meal for any day of the week. If you're looking for ways to incorporate more lentils, this is a delicious one. First up, heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Now add one small diced onion, or a half a large one, and 2 minced shallots. Give them about 5 minutes to soften up and become translucent. This is a great base for any savory dish, adding the first layer of flavor. Now it's time to add 4 minced garlic cloves. Cook them for about another minute until they're fragrant. Next, stir in some taco seasoning and a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix that in until the onions are nicely coated and the spices are activated, bringing out the flavors. Now pour in one 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, bringing it to a simmer and let it cook for a bit, stirring occasionally. Now add 1.5 cups of brown lentils along with 3.5 cups of water. Give that a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. If it seems too wet, don't hesitate to cook it uncovered for a few more minutes to thicken. Now, if you find your lentils aren't tender, they might be a bit old or perhaps they need more water and time, especially if you're at higher altitudes. After our lentils have reached the desired consistency, it's time to add the vegan shredded cheese. Stir until it's all melted and evenly distributed. Next, I like to put the mixture in the fridge for a couple of hours. It really helps to thicken it up and enhance the flavors. When you're ready to make the quesadillas, heat a skillet over medium heat. Fold them over to create a half moon shape and grill each side until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Finally, cut into wedges and serve hot. They're perfect with some pico de gallo, avocado, or a dollop of vegan sour cream. Thanks for cooking with me today. Visit Nuts and Twigs for details. Until next time, thanks for watching.